Imagine you have a coin, not just any coin, but a coin that glows, a neon coin. It's unlike anything you've ever seen. You're curious about its value. How much is it worth? Let's find out together. Neon coins, while fictional, have captured the imagination of many people around the world. Their unique appearance and mysterious origins have made them a popular topic of discussion. But the question remains, how much is a neon coin actually worth? To answer this, we need to consider several factors. Factor 1, rarity and scarcity. Like any collectible, the rarity of a neon coin plays a significant role in determining its value. If there are only a few neon coins in existence, they will be more valuable than if there are many. The scarcity of neon coins can be influenced by various factors, such as production limitations, accidental destruction, or intentional hoarding. Factor 2, historical significance. If a neon coin has a significant historical or cultural value, it will likely be worth more than a coin without such a connection. For example, if a neon coin was used in a famous event or was associated with a historical figure, its value would increase. Factor 3, condition. The condition of a neon coin also affects its value. A coin in mint condition, with no scratches or wear, will be worth more than a coin that is damaged or worn. Factors such as the coin's age, storage conditions, and handling can all impact its condition. Factor 4, market demand. The demand for neon coins in the market can also influence their value. If there are many people who are interested in collecting neon coins, the demand will be high, and the prices will tend to increase. Conversely, if there is little interest in neon coins, the demand will be low, and the prices will likely be lower. Hypothetical scenario. Let's say you have a neon coin that is in mint condition, has a unique design, and was used in a historical event. Based on these factors, you could reasonably expect it to be worth a significant amount of money. However, it's important to note that the exact value of a neon coin can vary depending on the specific circumstances and the current market conditions. So, how much is a neon coin actually worth? The answer is, it depends. The value of a neon coin is influenced by a variety of factors, including its rarity, historical significance, condition, and market demand. If you have a neon coin and are curious about its value, it's recommended to consult with a professional appraiser or collector who specializes in rare coins. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.